I'm now going to show you the method that we use when dividing with decimals. I'm going to show you the short method because this will be a lot quicker. So the first step that we need to do is we need to draw our bus stop. We then need to arrange the numbers in the correct place within our bus stop. So the divisor in 1.96 divided by 7 is 7. The dividend in this question is 1.96. And take note of where the decimal is. If we've got a decimal here, then we're going to have to put a decimal directly above it in our answer, in our quotient position. We now need to have a look at the divisor again. We've got 7, so we're going to be using this number and the multiples of 7 to help us answer this question. So how many groups of 7 can I make out of 1? Well, I can't make any, so I'm going to put a 0, and we're going to leave the decimal where it is. We're now going to join this 1 and 9 together to make 19. And we can ask ourselves now, how many groups of 7 can I make out of 19? Well, let's have a look. 1, 2. I can make 2 whole groups. So I can put a 2 on top of the bus stop there. Now what we need to do is we need to count on from 14 to 19. And this is going to be our remainder. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we will have a remainder of 5. I can now ask myself, how many groups of 7 can I make with 56? So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can make 8 whole groups. So I can pop my 8 here. And I've now finished the calculation. So 1.96 divided by 7 is 0.28. And a lot of you will probably do long division for this, but this is the short division method. We're putting the remainders next to the digits rather than subtracting them and making it all long down here. Let's have a look at another one together. Step 1, we need to draw our bus stop. Now we need to sort our numbers into the correct place on the bus stop. So our divisor is 8. And our dividend is 85.6. Now look carefully at where that decimal is positioned. It's positioned here. So we now need to put our decimal directly above it. How many groups of 8 can I make out of 8? Well, that's nice and easy. I can make 1 whole group of 8. How many groups of 8 can I make out of 5? Well, I can't make any groups, so I'm going to put a 0. And what we're going to have to do now, because we can't do anything with this 5, we're going to attach it to the 6. Just ignore the decimal. And we're going to pop them together to make 56. So how many groups of 8 can I make out of 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can make 7 whole groups. And that's the end of the calculation. So 85.6 divided by 8 gives me 10.7 as my answer.